So we're grilling on Cape Cod today. What's better than maybe a little Chatham oyster? How about we learn how to open these suckers and have them on the half shell? Follow me. Here you have the flat side and the round side. We're gonna have flat side up, right on my towel. We're gonna protect our hand now. We're gonna fold it right over. In goes our oyster knife. This is called the hinge right there. That's where the oyster opens. So we're gonna have a little bit of pressure, and then we're gonna throttle like a motorcycle. Boom, shakalaka, done, open. Now we turn it on its side and do a little paint can action. Pry it open all the way down. Now we're gonna scrape it off the top of the shell. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone always wants to know, how do you eat these things, okay? I'm a novice, but all that beautiful liquor, first let's do a primer. We're gonna prime our mouth. Oh, that's like just getting hit by a wave down at South Beach, and here we go. We're gonna, a couple chews on this side, couple of chews on that side, swallow. Think of the beach. Ready? Utskari sama des. Thank you, Oyster. Man, it's like hitting a wave. Wow, that is fantastic. Oysters on the half shell.